viewers, welcome to Boys Talk. I'm Sahid Olubeji by name. So what we have here today, they asked us to simplify this. Of course, this topic is like indices. Everybody knows indices, of course. But let's look at this kind of problem. How can we go about it? They asked us to solve this. The best way for us to do this is to write this in an index form. We all believe that 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3 or raised to power n plus 2 minus. I can also write 6 as a form of 2.3. Remember, my 2.3 simply means multiplication. Then I have 3 raised to power 3n plus 3 over 3 raised to power n dot 3 raised to power 2 into brackets n plus 2. So now, the next thing we now have to look at, we now try to simplify it. We have 3 raised to power 3n plus 6 minus 2 dot 3 raised to power 3n plus 4. I know you wonder how I get this. Since 3 is here, 3 is there, just only pick 1 3. I have 3. Remember, this 3 here is raised to power 1. Then 1 plus 3 will give me 4. Then over here, I'm going to have 3 raised to power n. I'm just going to say that since 2 times n will give me 2n, 2n plus n will give me 3n dot 3 raised to power 2 times 2 will give me what? 4. So here, I'm going to write this in form of dotted sign too. I think you all believe me that this can be written as 3 raised to power 3n dot 3 raised to power 6 minus 2 dot 3 raised to power 3n dot 3 raised to power 4. Multiplication will change to times. Only what I just do here is just the simple things. I just use laws of indices that say that if you have a number like this, 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 5 simply means just pick only one of them, 3 raised to power 4 plus 5. And that is what I did here. This is just like 3 raised to power 3n. My addition has changed to times. My dot is times 3 raised to power 4, and so on and like that. So now we also move on over, this is already in the splitted form, 3 raised to power 3n dot 3 raised to power 4. Now, we now look at this. What is common between this and this? To me, I can say that 3 raised to power 3n here, 3 raised to power 3n. I'm going to factorize 3 raised to power 3n out. 3 raised to power 3n, 3 raised to power 3n. I'm also going to look at the one of 3 raised to power 6. You can see 3 raised to power 6 is there. We have 3 raised to power 4 is there. I'll bring out the one with the lowest power. So I'm going to have dots 3 raised to power 4. I'll open brackets. So what I have left here, I only have 3 raised to power 2. I have 3 raised to power 2. Remember, if I say 3 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 2, I'll just add the index and still going to have this. And this, I've already factorized it out. Minus, I'm going to only have 2 here. This is no longer here because I've bring it out. So this one too is no longer here. I'm going to have something like this. Over, this is already here, 3 raised to power 3n dot 3 raised to power 4. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to, so this will cancel this will cancel this. So what I'll have left, I'm going to have 3 raised to power 2 minus 2. Then 3 raised to power 2 will give me what? 9. 9 minus 2 will give me 7. As simple as that. So this is all about this simplification. This is not common, but there are many more of it that will come out later in the day. So thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more updates. Thank you. God bless you.